Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. So today I'll be introducing you my latest innovation called the Buggaway. In 2020, March 2020, the government has announced the movement control order for the entire country, including the students. The students need to stay at home, undergo the teaching and learning process through online, especially using the online learning platform, for example, the StreamYard, Zoom app, and the Google Meet. So we teachers found out that after a month talking in front of the computer, some of the students were demotivated. They have been complacent at home. They started not to join the online learning conference, and they failed to submit their submission, and as well as the attendance decreasing. So we teachers decided to based on the theory be given by the Gary's 2002, saying that the input process output models explain that the game with instructional contents able to produce behavior outcome if the process is assisted with judgments by the player and the feedback system. As the Buggaway, we can see that later on the Buggaway contains questions regarding topic that they have learned in class. The Buggaway is also self-interactive and interesting, as well as we can see the learning outcome once they finish attending the treatment and the intervention. The attendance through the online learning session is increasing, and students are more motivated to join and anticipated to join the class. Let's see what the Buggaway looks like. See, it's actually like the conventional game that we have undergone in the 90s, like the Super Mario or the Prince of Persia. However, the novelty is my innovation has questions within it and the viruses as hurdles. But in between that, they also will be asked questions. There are 3 levels of questions. As for the level 1, student will be answering information level. The level 2, students will be answering the understanding level, while the level 3, student will answering the application level. So at the end of the level, student will be given scores and marks based on their achievement. Step of intervention: first, we identify the problems, the attendance of the student decreasing, and the submission as well as the motivation of the students decreasing too. Then I attended some online courses that regarding coding process and developed the Buggaway, the assistance with the UTEM students. Then we select samples and we collect attendance averagely from day to day. The surveys, we open up a survey to the students to answer. Then once we treated 5 Omega and 5 Sigma students, there are 56 of samples that we have treated with the Buggaway. How did I do that? The Buggaway will be my induction set. So for the 3 consecutive classes, student will be playing the game first for the 10 to 15 minutes. Then we compare the results in between students. So they were excited and anticipated to attend the next class. So these 3 consecutive classes, after the 3 consecutive classes, we collect results of the survey before and after. We compare the attendance between before and after treatment. So this is the results. As we can see, survey students increasing before and after the treatment. That same goes to the percentage of average attendance during online learning before and after the intervention. However, there are some limitations. The Buggaway is still offline, is an offline file. So the Buggaway has to be streamed online so that students can stream it through any kind of mobile devices. Secondly, the Buggaway is also planned to be upgraded to a more variety topics. In fact, the more variety subjects. There are some discussion regarding gamification. The Buggaway has become an effective teaching material. The study proves that effectiveness of the Buggaway increases students' motivation through online learning. So this is the evidence, and these are the references. Thank you.